Good evening. I am going to show you Epic. It is a program that is used for educators. This is my personal profile that I actually currently use for my classroom. You can see over here, I do have it already set up. This is the login for students that can, they could use or even print off, for either their parents or to show your current coworkers. I really like it because it's kind of like a log that I can see how long they have been on the books, how many books they've read. I can go to my students roster, see overall our class log and different activities that I've assigned them to, and even see what their login personally looks like. If I go over to my library, I have created quite a few of collections that I've actually aligned to our current ELA units. You can see that we did have a poetry unit, which I assigned 3 different books. Our citizenship unit is coming up in January, so I've still got time to add current books to that. Folk tales is something that we are going into currently, so I can click on this. I do like it because some of the books are actually read to me books, so say I go in and click this, I can assign it to certain students. As a classroom who currently has a lot of ESL as well as SPED students, I can go in and make sure that I am accommodating to their needs. So we go in.
To know before you read.
It does kind of talk about the vocab. You go
3
in.
little pigs each built a new house.
Of course, I'm still kind of skipping along. And then if I go to the last page, I can start the quiz, which then I can see how the students do. And then, so of course, since I'm the teacher, I have the privilege of going in and doing this. Then we can go back in here, and then I can see how they did on here. And if you wanted to make it a competition, you can go down here to the reader pillar, which we actually do, which is where we are racing for minutes of how many total books they have done. So again, this is a link that is free. I do encourage my students to use it at home. We're kind of just getting into it, but we use it for our reading center, and so if I really wanted to go in and do reading comprehension, I sure could, and create questions for it. I do like it because a lot of books are in here. I can go down to what we're learning about and kind of match the topic. There are a few more of just the audio books that have more of the music in the background. Oops.
Hi, I'm Daryl from Fairyland Gardens. If you're like most people,
so, yeah. But thanks for listening to my video. Thank you.